This is Vaish. So today is Monday and February 6th. So the first Monday of February, and today we are exactly starting our test series, also the final batch. If you are a 2023 aspirant, other students, it's okay. You can watch the foundation. I'll show you that details also. And in Plums episode, we'll discuss history MCQs. Okay, Plums is a complete free initiative for all serious aspirants for every batch, no matter which year you're preparing for. And 2023, you know, the new OTR concept has come. So if you don't know that, please watch this video, which is there in our channel, and also then you can watch the how to fill notification. Okay, I have did the complete demo, including fee payment I have done for you, so that you understand and you don't have any doubts in the 2023 preparation. I will recommend 24-25 people also to watch, because this OTR is a new system and you should be aware of this. Please don't wait till next February and then suddenly be in a shock like how to apply for UPSC. Okay, and then 24-25 and all people should watch foundation. It is there in English and it is in Hindi medium also. So this please WhatsApp me and get the details of these videos. Okay. And now you have to see that the economic survey has come, the budget has come, the UPSC notification has come, and our do or die batch also has come. Okay, until now, if you are not serious, that means you were never serious and you will never make it to this exam. Okay, because last 4 months are left. So please start now. Okay, WhatsApp me if you need a test series of 2023. This is the video. For that also details I'll give you. Discount and installments are running now. Today, February 6th, actually the first study date has started. Okay, it's a self-study plan, complete self-study plan like I mentioned here. But I'll tell you each day what to study, so that in 111 days, okay, which we have designed timetable, you will know how to finish the batch. Okay, how to finish the syllabus, okay, by studying from home. And we'll give you weekly test PDF with lot of MCQs and explanation. That will be sufficient for you to at least give a decent attempt in prelims and even double your score. Okay, how much of you're scoring, you will double your score. That's our guarantee if you study our test PDF. Okay, so please watch the Plums videos and all the other lectures also in both English and Hindi we are doing, and you will, as I told, double your score. So which of the following is a Harappan site located in present day India? Okay, this is the first question for today. So options are Suktagandor, Amri, Mithatal, Kot Diji. Okay, so if you see, you will feel like, okay, all these are Harappan sites only. Then what kind of question is this? It's actually asking in present day India. Okay, that means obviously you know Harappa, it is in the Pakistan side now. Okay, so India, Pakistan, when you see most of the places are now in the famous Harappan sites are in Pakistan side. So here in present day India, only one of them is there. So which one of them is there? So this is actually a detailed question of your map. Okay, map based history question this is, and UPSC is asking. Last year they asked a Harappan site, then before that they asked an Ashokan pillars site. In prelims, I'm telling, okay, not in optionals and all, in normal prelims they're asking. So you are expected to know the locations of these places. So here the answer will be C, and the locations I'll tell you. In our this is a test series screenshot. Okay, in my test series all these are given. So in future, in any year, if UPSC asks a question, you have the list of all the names. So these places, okay, Suktagandor, Amri and Kot Diji are in present day Pakistan, including Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, Balakot where we did the strike now, and then this Ganveriwala, Chonodar. This is also for, I think, pearls and beads and all. This is very famous. So every place has a famous point also. That also you should study. You should make a map and a chart and study. Vaishya students will get a detailed chart, so don't worry. Then all these are in present day India. Okay, and in which state they are, that you have to study, because it's in India. You have to study which state in India also they are there. These are all in our lectures and in our test series and all. Overall, it will get covered. Okay. Now question number 2. Which of the following are true? The Jatakas were written in Prakrit. Then Gandatindu Jataka, okay, a name of a Jataka, elaborates the tale of a generous king and his prosperous kingdom. Use of iron claw was promoted all across the subcontinent to increase production. Women, royal or not, during the Guptas lacked access to land resources. Okay, so it's all about the Gupta timeline, you can tell. Around that this question is framed, and is taken from your NCERT. So one more statement. Okay, Xuanzang described Patliputra as the golden city when he visited in the 7th century. Okay, then the north black polished ware were probably used by the rich people. Okay, so these kind of questions, elimination will work if you know anything is wrong. So try to find out which are the wrong statements. It's a detailed question, okay, that in our NCERT we have given statements like this only, so that each chapter has a different MCQ, like about Gupta, about Mauryas, about Mughals. We have a separate MCQ, and explanations also will be there, and free video classes are also there for all this in our channel. Okay, so try to find out if anything is wrong. If nothing is wrong, answer will be A. So here, if you have read NCERT, it's a simple question. So answer is D. So we'll see the explanations. Okay. So Jatakas were not written in Prakrit, it's actually in Pali. Okay, and this is not about a prosperous kingdom, it's about the plight of the subjects of a wicked king. Okay, it's a completely opposite thing. Okay, then here this plow, it was not like widely used, it was restricted in certain parts of the subcontinent. Okay, And then here Xuanzang found it in ruins and not in a prosperous way as in the question it is told. Okay. And then this last statement is correct. Northern black polished ware were probably used by rich people. Okay. And then here again things are there. Women, royal or not, lacked access to land resources. They are telling that is wrong, because here in this explanation you can see that Prabhavati had ruled and also had access to land. Okay, so these are all back-to-back paragraphs in your NCERT in a single chapter, and that we have compiled and made a question so that you study your NCERT in a proper fashion. Okay, after you do our NCERT test series, I can guarantee you that not a single question will come outside from this. Okay, if an NCERT question is asked in UPSC prelims, you would have got the answer already in our Vaishya test series and lectures. Okay, that much detail where we have designed it. Now question number 3, votive inscriptions found around 2nd century BC closely relates to what? Okay, so inscriptions are also very favorite topic of UPSC. There are multiple inscriptions of multiple kingdoms and people, even including Buddhism and Jainism. So gifts, war, peace, women. What is this votive inscriptions which you see in the textbooks related to 2nd century BC? What is it related to? So here actually literal meaning, if you know also you can answer, it is actually gifts or gifting. Okay, votive inscriptions record gifts made to the religious institutions. By the 2nd century BC, we find short votive inscriptions in a number of cities. These mention the name of the donor, sometimes specify his or her occupation as well. They tell us about people who lived in towns, like these different professional people. Okay, all are listed here, including merchants and kings. So all these may be included on that thing also, okay, in the inscriptions. Now question number 4, which of the following Buddhist site is at a farther location compared to the other 3 sites which are close by? Meaning we'll give you, I'll show you the options first. Okay, this Karle, Ajanta, Junar and Barut. So it's a detailed map question again based on history. So which of the following is the farthest compared to the other 3? Meaning 3 of them are closer by in the map, but one is little away. Okay, so that means you have to have the clear-cut idea of where in the map this is. This is a very interesting way of framing question. And it is found there in our Vaishya's NCERT test series. Okay. So answer is D. So if you take the map here, see Ajanta, Junar and Karla is here near the Nasik area, you can tell, or near the Godavari, below the Narmada. But this Barut is above the Narmada and it is here somewhere above. Okay, UP area, this area it is. If you see Lumbini, this is in Nepal, this Kushinagara, this and all Buddhism related sites they are, which are the rivers passing through. Sravasti already UPSC asked 2 times, Sanchi UPSC have asked once. Narmada river is a favorite topic of UPSC. You should know everything. Okay, map is very, very important topic, and at least 6 marks. Okay, that is 3 questions will be directly or indirectly from maps. Okay, location based question. So please study maps nicely. Question number 5. Which of the following are false? Basavana was a Brahmin minister in the court of a Chola ruler. Lingayats believed in rebirth after death. 2 statements. Okay, so both 1 and 2. 2 only, 1 only, neither 1 nor 2. This again, everybody may know if you have studied NCERTs, and it's also there in our R.S. Sharma textbooks and all. The answer is A. Okay, because they're asking for false. So here if you see Basavana, timeline first important, was a minister in the court of a Kalachuri ruler, not Chola. His followers were known as this Veerashaivas or Lingayats, men who usually wear a small linga in a silver case on a loop strung over the left shoulder. Okay, that's how they have a symbol on them. And wandering monks, okay, including wandering monk. Lingayat believed that on death, the devotee will be united with Shiva and will not return to this world. So there is no rebirth. Okay, they also questioned the theory of rebirth. That is why that statement is false, and it's not Chola, so that is also false. Okay, and these vachanas are important. That's the poetry kind of thing, literature, sayings composed in Kannada, okay, which is under this Veerashaivas or the Lingayats. So that also can be a potential question. So these were the 5 questions. Hope you learnt a lot of things in this session. And as I told, if you simply see plums alone, you will learn a lot, but you will never reach the standards of a person who has enrolled to any good test series like Vaishya. Okay, because we give them 10,000 plus MCQs and charts to remember that in 1 full year, they will be learning so much that they'll be at least 10 times more knowledgeable than you. Okay, so addition to plums is like a revision for them actually, but you people are seeing only plums, so we recommend you to do all the textbooks, all the NCERTs, even optional subjects if you have to do, and join a very good test series. Okay, because without test series you cannot clear UPSC, and you can join any test series which you like. This is the Vaishya format where 16 tests are dedicated to history, where we cover NCERT, R.S. Sharma, Satish Chandra, Spectrum, art and culture textbooks of like Nitin Singhania and NCERT, and then full tests are also there where we mix up everything and give. So like that for every subject, every textbook is covered in detail, and that is why we keep telling 100 plus marks comes from our test series every year. Okay. because you study only the needed textbook. You don't study unwanted notes or topper strategy and all. You just read the textbooks and go based on syllabus and previous year questions. You will clear. So we have given separate packages also, because prelims is nearing. You can buy that also if you don't want the entire test series. Okay, so based on your weak points, you can study, and we guarantee you that we'll keep coming up with free videos like this. So thank you and have a nice day.